Hello everyone, welcome back to Beauty in the Garden. I am T. If you're new to my channel, welcome. If you guys have not noticed, the weather has been going up and down, and now I am going to check out my greenhouse that is not heated. I went ahead and turned off my heater because it was running hot. And you guys, do you guys see this? Do you guys see this? You guys, this is a lot. So I'm taking you guys with me to see how the greenhouse turned out. The ground is frozen, the grass, literally, you guys. Oh my gosh, look at this. Look at this. I mean, it's gorgeous though, right? It's gorgeous. But it is so cold, you guys. It is freezing out here. Headed into the greenhouse to see how everything has turned out. And you guys, I can tell you it looks amazing. I'm seeing a couple of issues that I'm gonna have to take care of since it is warm in here. You guys checked out what just happened. These spider mites has literally went crazy on my roses. Oh, absolutely not. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put them on the ground here, away from all the rest of my plants. This one looks like it's starting to get a little bit of spider mites right here, and I'm gonna take care of that. Let me move my petunias that are trying to come back out of the way. Oh, no, 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 no. Look at that infestation of spider mites. You guys, they're gonna suck the sap out of your plant. All right, so we're gonna put you here, and I'm gonna give them a good spray with some neem oil and take care of that issue. And this right here is the planter off my front porch, and it looks so much better. You can see that it was touched by the cold because all of the redness, pinkish color you see here on my pretty succulents, they saw some of it. So they will fall off, the ones that are damaged. But all in all, this looks really, really good. Really, really good. And as well, my lime tree. I see this one here, leaves fell off, but the Meyer lemon did not. So we're okay, and we're gonna take care of this. Now, I really came in here to see how well everything held up in the cold, and I'm telling you, I'm happy. Oh my God, I'm so happy. Even my succulents are coming back full force. Look how they doubling up. Really like that. And what else we got going on in here? I'm really happy. I'm really, really happy. It looks like the succulents are bouncing back as well. Much longer than the last time that I showed you when I redid this staircase. Look how full they are getting. Oh my goodness. Very, very pretty. Let's move this out of the way again. Move this out of the way. All right, look at the cabbage. This right here is a Jersey cabbage. Looks really, really good. And then I went ahead and dug out the red Russian kale from out of the garden. This was over there by the chicken run, and I decided to go ahead and bring that one in, and I'm glad that I did because it was getting damaged. Can you guys see some of the cold? This is from cold damage, and I'm glad that I did bring it in. Yes, let's remove that. And then over here, we have curly kales underneath here. I did try to save my last scarlet kale from out of there. It did not survive. You guys see that? The cold got to it. It's just mush right now. It's no good. And then up here is the spinach. The spinach looks really, really good. I'm not sure what I planted here. I know this was some extra seeds that I had that fell, and I just went ahead and popped them in there. I do not know what they are, but guess what? I know that we can enjoy them, so I'm just gonna let them go ahead and go. And if so, I'll just put them in a different container and see what they are later. My sedums look really good. That right there is another cabbage, and I think this is a Jersey cabbage as well. And then the lettuce. Can y'all see that lettuce? Looks beautiful, you guys. Look beautiful. Another red Russian. This right here is another red Russian that I took out. It was a little bit on the smaller side, but I went ahead and took that one out. Like I was saying, the lettuce is looking really good. I'm gonna pinch this out because I see this one is trying to bolt, and that's what you see there is a bolting center there. So I went ahead and took that out. It's gonna try to continue on bolting, but I will get a little bit more leaves off of that one, okay? And then here's some yellow chard. Right here, some more beautiful ruby red leaf lettuce that is growing right here. And I'm seeing that this cabbage right here has a little bit of damage, a little dead foliage that we're gonna remove because it serves your plant no purpose to keep that on there. So you definitely wanna remove anything that looks like this, okay? Anything, even if it started to turn just a little bit, still remove it, okay? Next thing up is I have here that is growing. I'm glad this is growing in full because I have these actually hanging on the gazebo. Now this is called wire vine, and it looks so pretty when it's draping down your container. Or if you have like a nice vase that you want to display a nice spill. I really like the wire vine. More sedums here, more sedums. And then the creeping jennies. Oh, this creeping jenny is gonna be gorgeous, 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 gorgeous. And I'll show you guys where I'll be popping in this beautiful vine here, okay? And then down here, I showed you guys me putting this up and cleaning this out and popping my plants down here. You guys, I harvest that broccoli head. Some more curly kale here and here. Trying to remove all of the problems. We don't want slugs and snails, believe it, they'll still come inside your greenhouse. All right, and then I have here is a orange Swiss chard and then a ruby red Swiss chard there. And all of the bok choys looking absolutely stunning. I mean, it's just a stunning plant, okay? So even if you want a decorative element, but an edible at the same time, this is a gorgeous plant. I want y'all to look at that. This right here is bok choy, okay? I've noticed like some of the other choys are very, very small. You got bok choy and pak choy. So obviously this one here looks like a bok choy because it's a little bit bigger. I feel like the pak choy is a little bit smaller. I could be wrong, but I feel like they are. And then here's another beautiful, oh, stunning, 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 stunning chart here. I try to make sure that I keep up with my plants, you guys. Sometimes I got a lot going on. Here's some more bok choys right here. Now they're great in stir fry. I do not recommend you letting them get too tough because they will be hard to cook. So I like to saute them and not cook them all the way through because if not, it'd be hard to chew them, okay? Now I do recommend sauteing the leaves and they will get soft, nice and tender. But these stems, I would chop them up and dice them up and they come out better that way, okay? And then down here, let's see what this is. Some more curly leaf kale. I went crazy with the curly leaf kale. Oh, what was this? This right here. Oh, I know what this is. This is my balloon flower. Yeah, I don't know if you guys can see that bulb right there. Right there. It's coming back. So this is a balloon flower. This is actually a white balloon flower. And then another line. So my purple shield did not come back. I was hoping that I was gonna able to save my Persian shield. Is a very beautiful emerald purplish green plant. It's a very stunning plant, but I would just have to go ahead and get another one because I really like the sheen on that particular plant. And then over here we got some more choys, bok choys, and I got down there, which herbs do not like too much water. So we have lemon thyme and regular thyme down here. And then we have some broccoli that we actually gonna go ahead and snap off right now. We're just gonna snap it. Just like that. See, it's try to open up, but we're gonna harvest this broccoli. This one's already started to open, but that is all right. We're still gonna use it, snap it. I prefer to cut it, but I'll come back and clean it up. But this is my broccoli. Looks yummy right here. I'm gonna grab this one as well. I see I might need to come in here and do a little bit of watering. I'm seeing down here, just a little bit more water. They need a little bit more. I feel like the plant is a little dry. And then we have some more cabbages here. You guys can see them. And then back there, and then this beautiful flower that you see coming up in this container is a beautiful flower. This is the phlox that is coming up in that container as well. And let's see what else we have here. And I did keep my dianthus. My dianthus is coming back. That was gifted to me from a co-worker. And she gave it to me to keep it going. And so far so good. I have kept it going. I appreciate it. And you see them there. It looks really, really good. And then I think this right here is another. This right here. I think this is another phlox right here that I have here. I think I put some out in the garden and I put some into containers. And then my daughter's beautiful light pink daisy. This is her daisy in here. That needs a little bit of cleaning up. I'm gonna do that real quick, real fast. Just gonna get some of these weeds out and get some of these dead foliage off. It's watered really nicely. I'm seeing some new flowers coming on already. Let's see. So as you guys can see down there, see them here. So we have some coming on. It's gonna be really full. So yeah, the cold got to this one. I could tell. Look at that, you guys. It got to it, but I'm gonna leave it right here for now. I know it's not gonna be all in the place that I want it to be, but it's gonna be just fine right there. I'm gonna take everything from off top of here that's a plant so the cold won't damage it. So like right here, these were little petunias here that, yeah, I see some sedum growing in there, but I'm gonna leave that from off top of here so they won't continue on getting damaged. But all in all, it looks like the greenhouse plants are doing very well. Looks really good in here. And then I don't think this petunia here is coming back. I had in here petunias and some calibrachoas. I see here, this right here is a pretty pinkish calibrachoa. I see that is growing back really good. And then over here is my double-headed petunias. And I see that they are coming in nicely. So I'm hoping I will come in here and clean up the base of the plant. And hopefully I can get that growing back because I really like the display. And then this container over here, I do not think that that's going to come back. And we're just gonna go from there. Let me fix this. We'll pop this back in. And it will continue to grow. Let's stick that back in there. Broke off somehow. All right, and that is that. But you guys, here is my greenhouse. Okay, you guys, we're at the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed the quick tour of the greenhouse and how everything is holding on very, very beautifully. And I cannot wait to show you guys all of the plants that I plan on starting for our upcoming spring garden. And I hope you guys have already gotten started. And like I always tell you guys, there's beauty in everyone's garden. And bye-bye for now. Bye-bye, you guys. I'll see you in the next one.